Hello everyone, today we are going to see Trigonometry Upto Transformations, the chapter from first year mathematics 1A. The important LAQ which is going to be asked in your examination will be covered in this complete video. So I assure you, if you are watching a video until end, you will be getting 7 out of 7 marks for this LAQ, and no doubt you will be able to solve the question with very easy way. Now, before going to start the video, we'll start the formulas which are being used in this problem. Now, our question is, in a triangle ABC, prove that cos A by 2 plus cos B by 2 plus cos C by 2 is equals to 4 cos pi minus A by 4 into cos pi minus B by 4 into cos pi minus C by 4. So, there are only 5 formulas which are used in this problem. One is A plus B plus C is equals to 180 degree, which is pi, and 2 cos A cos B is equals to cos of A plus B plus cos of A minus B. And the third is cos of 90 minus theta is equals to sin theta. And the fourth is 2 sin A cos A is equals to sin 2A. And the last one is, if A plus B plus C is equals to 180 degree, then cos C by 2 is equals to sin of A plus B by 2. With these 5 formulas, you can solve a complete LAQ which is of 7 marks. No need to worry about copying or taking the notes. I'll provide a PDF solution. I'll provide a PDF link for which I'll give a complete notes for this solution in the comment section. So, without further ado, let's start our problem. Now we will try to understand what the question is actually saying here. In a triangle ABC, prove that cos of A by 2 plus cos of B by 2 plus cos of C by 2 is equals to 4 cos pi minus A by 4 into cos of pi minus B by 4 into cos of pi minus C by 4. So these are the some angles which are given. We have to prove LHS equal to RHS basically. But here is the one point which is given is in a triangle. These are the angles of a triangle, where a triangle has how many angles? 3 angles. As you know, A, B, C are the vertices, and there are 3 angles which will form an equilateral triangle will form. Sum of this angle is 180 degree. Now with this concept we will start our solution. So first step, given that as it is mentioned in a question that it is a triangle ABC, so all the angles will be angle A plus angle B plus angle C is equals to 180 degree, which can be written as 5. Now I'll solve the complete solutions by using RHS. So what is our RHS here? RHS is 4 cos pi minus A by 4 into cos of pi minus B by 4. This is our first step. Now see here, we can take 2 from it as common, which can be written as 2 into 4 can be written as 2 into 2 cos pi minus A by 4 into cos of pi minus B by 4 into cos of pi minus C by 4. The next step here is, just we can write this step by using pi. The reason why we have splitted 4 as 2 into 2, because we know the formula 2 cos A into cos B is equals to cos of A plus B plus cos of A minus B. So this is in the form of that, as you can see, क्या है यहाँ पे form 2 cos A, this whole term is termed as A and this term is termed as B. Write cos of pi minus C by 4 separately for the first time, right? Now how this can be written? This can be written as cos of A plus B. So I'll be writing 2 as it is. Now instead of 2 cos A cos B, we can write cos of A plus B. What is A here? Pi minus A plus pi minus B by 4. Because denominators are equal, you can write it as it is. Now cos of A minus B. What is A minus B again? Just you need to do this is A and this is B. Cos of A, pi minus of pi again, which will be plus B by 4. The last term cos of pi minus c by 4, which should be written as it is same for now. Now what are the terms which we can cancel here? Plus pi minus pi will get cancelled and these two terms will get added. Pi plus pi become 2 pi. Now the next step, 2 cos, which will be 2 cos, this will become 2 pi minus, take common, a plus b by 4. This is our first term here, plus what is the next term? Cos of, what is here? B minus a, you can take as b minus a by 4 into cos of pi minus c by 4. Now this 4 will be given to this both the terms, so 2 into cos of 2 pi by 4 minus of a plus b by 4 plus cos of b minus a by 4. As you know, you can solve this term. Instead of pi, you can write, what we can write, we know the formula here. What is the formula? A plus b plus c is equals to pi. Instead of pi, what we can write? Cos of a plus b plus c minus c by 4. So the term plus c minus c get cancelled. And here you can cancel this term also. 2 ones are, 2 twos are, which will become 2 into cos of pi by 2 minus of a plus b by 4 plus cos of b minus a by 4, which will give you cos of a plus b by 4. Now instead of multiplying with 2, first multiply all the terms, and before that you can see here this is cos of pi by 2 minus theta, right? Which means you can apply the formula. What is the formula? Cos of 90 minus theta, which is sin theta. This complete angle is taken as theta. Now here cos of 90 minus theta is sin theta, so the theta here is this one, a plus b by 4. Now we can write this in terms of sin theta. Theta is a plus b by 4 plus cos of b minus a by 4. There are only next few steps in which we will cover or wind up our problem within next 2 to 3 minutes, which is very easy. Hope you are following it. And now just we have to multiply cos of a plus b by 4 with this two terms. Now in the next step you have to multiply cos with each term, first term with the first term and first term with the second term. So by multiplying, what we will get? 2 sin a plus b by 4 cos of a plus b by 4 plus, now the same can multiply 2 with this one, which will become 2 cos b minus a by 4 into cos of a plus b by 4, right? So this is our next step. Just you need to apply the formula for 2 sin a cos a, which is sin 2a, and one more formula for this one, 2 cos a cos b. What is the formula? 2 cos a cos b is equals to cos of a plus b into cos of a minus b. Just this is your a and a for the first one, and for the second term, either you can select this as a and this as b. Just substitute in the formula your final answer for your further from 1. Now we are only one step away from our solution. We have substituted this formula for the first term and for the second term. So what we got? Cos of b minus a by 4 plus a plus b by 4, which can be written as the denominators are same. We can add the numerators. Even here, you just need to remember that as it is cos of a minus b, you have to keep a minus sign, and you should multiply with each of the terms. So the equation will be sin 2a plus b by 4 plus, you can add the numerators here, b minus a plus b by 4, because denominator is same. Cos of b minus a. When you multiply with minus a, you will get minus b by 4. Even here, the denominators are same. What are you cancel? Minus a plus a, and here plus b minus b. Just after, right? So after simplification, we got the term sin of a plus b by 2 cos of 2b by 4 plus cos of 2a by 4. You can cancel this term, 2 ones are, 2 twos are, 2 ones are, 2 twos are. So the remaining equation will be sin of a plus b by 2 plus cos of b by 2 plus cos of a by 2. You can see that in the question we got these two terms of LHS. So only one step is left over, which is I have already given this formula: sine of a plus b by 2 is equals to cos of c by 2, which means that just sine of a plus b by 2 can be written as cos of c by 2. Hence, instead of that, we are writing that cos of c by 2 plus cos of b by 2 plus cos of a by 2, which is your LHS, right? Hence, proof. If you're seeing here, you can interchange you know that it is a addition. So cos of a by 2 plus cos of b by 2 plus cos of c by 2. This and this one are the same. Hence, we have solved a 7 marks LAQ, which is a base question from this chapter. On this, there are many other questions you can solve easily by using this concept.